I'm so excited today that I have a Barbuda Bay waiting for you to check out. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go. Welcome into this luxury Barbuda Bay. All of this counter space is why this is one of the most popular models here at Latitude Margaritaville, Watersound. This open concept living is perfect for entertaining or just at home on your own. Beautiful custom finishes that anchor the space. And your dining space is right here. And this flex space offers whatever your needs are. 2 bedrooms. It's not too much, not too little. Those luxury fine details are continued in the bedroom as well. Ample space in the beautiful main ensuite. It carries on the beautiful touches. Quintessential Florida living on the outside. You've got your whole outside living space and the water views. So for more information, look down below. I've got the listing link there for you to check it out all on your own. It's so beautiful. All right, this is Heather. Give me a call before you come. Bye.